P1450 Ford Explorer. What does that mean? All right. So I went to a mechanic and he said it may be the gas tank vent valve, part of the canister under the Ford Explorer. He gave me this diagram and said, figure it out. So that means we get to go to our favorite store. Oh, O'Reilly Auto Parts. This shows 5 bolts on the cover under the car. More writing on it, but the main thing is evaporative emission canister vent solenoid. That's what it is. That's what P1450 means. Evaporative emission canister vent solenoid. And then he was like, look, it's these arrows. You gotta replace the solenoid and the vent and the DD. So let's figure it out. All right, so I got the part. The gas vent solenoid. Canister vent, gas vent cap solenoid. Whatever I said earlier, that's what this is. All right. And it was $70 at O'Reilly. So let's see if it gets rid of that energy engine light. I'm a mess now. I got my Gravedigger shirt on because it's time to get mechanical. Okay, so looks like we got 5 screws that looks like that. I think this is it. I don't know if you can see that, but we got to remove this cover. This is the cover. This is the canister. The solenoid maybe on the other side, hopefully. I don't know. Let's climb under here, shall we? To remove the cover, you need a 10mm socket wrench for the job. Save you the clickety clanks. But it's those bolts on the drawing. That's the ones you need. All right, so I've got this one first, this one second. Now I'm gonna go back, get these easy ones next. Maybe I could just, I don't know, because I don't even see this one yet. The fuck is that? I don't even know what that is. Like that bolt tied its shoelaces or something. How the hell am I supposed to get that out? Is that a cotter pin? Son of a bitch. Alright, so I thought it was that one, but no. It's these two. So I'm going to take out these top 2 right here next. So normally they look like this, but on this other one the whole thing came out. So hopefully I can put that back. But yeah, it's starting to come down now, guys. Canister. It's the canister. The evap. Evap canister is coming out. Alright, let's get the last one. That's the last one, man. Why does it have to be so far back? I'll see if I can get it. Oh, jeez. It's coming out, guys. It's coming out. Alright, it's loose. I'm gonna let it come down. Hopefully not on my face. God, my arm's stuck. Alright, all the bolts are loose. It's coming down. It's coming down, guys. I wish it was the other way around, but whatever. Okay, because everything I need to disconnect is on the far end under the car. But okay. I don't even know if taking off all those screws was worth it, because I'm still stuck to this damn box. There's the tube. Tube shot. Oh, just wiggle it off. Right? There's no connection here. Some insulation. Yep, just wiggled it off. This is the electrical, and you just pinch it somewhere to pull that off. Push it down hard enough. That working out for nothing. Come on. Oh, yeah. Alright, piece of cake. So now we got the electrical out and this air hose out. How is it attached to the canister? Tab on the bottom. Tab on the right. I see it. Tab on the top. 3 tabs on this thing. The question is, how do you push it out? I can't film and do this. I'm just going to pinch it and pull out 3 tabs. Top, bottom, and right. Of course, I wasn't filming, but after pulling out the 3 tabs, you just pull it out, straight out. This is, I guess, a push connector or something, because it just popped right off. So let's take a peek inside, shall we? What is in this canister? It's like nothing. Alright, well, I'm just gonna stick in the new one. Hopefully it snaps in place, and then put the tube and solenoid back on. P.S. I don't think you need to undo all those 5 bolts. But I'm gonna do it and turn it on and see what happens. My neck is sore. Don't take off those 5 bolts. You don't need to. Alright, moment of truth. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Check engine light. Gone. Capo Jabba 1. Ford Explorer 0. Capo Jabba like 4 or 5 Ford Explorer problems. That's how you fix it. P1450 no longer exists. We'll see you later. Happy driving. Did it myself. $70. Actually, and $30 for the...
just kidding.
Gosh. This freaking day. Alright. Have a good one, guys. P1450. Done. What's next, Ford? Come on. Bring it. Done. Just for the record, never take these 2 bolts off. These are the worst. Oh, I'm getting nowhere with these bolts.